Let's dive into the fascinating world of schnitzel production, where precision and tradition combine to create a beloved culinary delight. It's a journey where every step is crucial to achieving the perfect schnitzel. So, how do they do it? The journey of creating the perfect schnitzel begins with the crucial step of selecting the ideal cut of meat. Traditional schnitzel typically features pork or veal, each offering a unique flavor and texture profile that is cherished by enthusiasts. However, chicken schnitzel has also gained popularity for its lean and tender qualities. Regardless of the type, the quality of the meat is paramount, as it directly influences the final product's taste, texture, and overall culinary experience. Producers source their meat from reputable suppliers who adhere to stringent standards of animal welfare and sustainability. These suppliers are chosen for their commitment to raising animals in humane conditions, ensuring they're well-fed, healthy, and stress-free. This ethical approach not only supports sustainable farming practices, but also results in superior meat quality. The animals are typically raised in open environments, with access to natural feed and clean water, which contributes to the tenderness and flavor of the meat. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the meat undergoes a rigorous inspection process. Highly trained inspectors examine each piece for any defects, imperfections, or signs of disease. This meticulous scrutiny ensures that only the best cuts proceed to the next stages of production. The selected cuts are free from excessive fat, gristle, and blemishes, ensuring that the schnitzel will be uniform in texture and appearance. This initial selection process is critical as it sets the tone for the entire production, guaranteeing that the schnitzel will meet high standards of quality and taste. The type of cut used for schnitzel varies depending on the desired final product. Pork schnitzel often utilizes cuts like the loin or tenderloin, known for their balance of flavor and tenderness. Veal schnitzel typically uses the top round or leg cut, which are prized for their delicate texture and mild flavor. Chicken schnitzel usually employs boneless, skinless breasts, offering a leaner alternative that remains juicy and flavorful when properly prepared. Once the ideal cuts are selected, the meat is further trimmed and prepared for the pounding process. This involves removing any remaining excess fat or sinew, ensuring a smooth, even surface. This meticulous preparation helps in achieving the uniform thinness required for schnitzel, which is essential for its characteristic tenderness and quick cooking time. By starting with premium cuts of meat, producers lay a solid foundation for creating high-quality schnitzel. The careful selection and preparation of the meat ensure that the final product will be tender, flavorful, and satisfying, capable of delighting even the most discerning palates. This attention to detail in the early stages of production reflects the commitment to excellence that defines the art of making schnitzel, ensuring that each bite is a testament to quality and craftsmanship. The importance of selecting the perfect cut cannot be overstated. It is the first step in a series of meticulously executed processes that culminate in the creation of a dish that is both a culinary delight and a cherished tradition. The dedication to quality at this initial stage ensures that the schnitzel will not only meet but exceed consumer expectations, making it a standout choice on any menu. Once the perfect cut is selected, the meat undergoes a tenderizing process known as pounding. This crucial step ensures the schnitzel achieves its characteristic thinness and tenderness. The meat is placed between sheets of plastic wrap or parchment paper and pounded with a meat mallet until it reaches the desired thickness, typically around 1/4 inch. In a large factory setting, this process is often automated using mechanical tenderizers that ensure consistency across large batches. Pounding the meat serves several important purposes. First, it breaks down the muscle fibers, which tenderizes the meat and makes it easier to chew. This is especially important for schnitzel, as the thin cut needs to be tender and succulent, without being tough or chewy. Second, pounding helps the meat cook evenly and quickly. Because the schnitzel is so thin, it can be cooked at high temperatures for a short period, which seals in the juices and results in a crispy exterior and a juicy interior. In the factory, the meat is processed through mechanical tenderizers that use a series of blades or mallets to pound the meat to the precise thickness required. These machines are calibrated to apply the perfect amount of pressure, ensuring that each piece of meat is uniformly thin. This consistency is vital for large-scale production, as it ensures that every schnitzel, regardless of when it is produced, has the same high quality. The automated tenderizing process also significantly speeds up production. Instead of manually pounding each piece of meat, workers can process large quantities quickly and efficiently, meeting the high demand for schnitzel without sacrificing quality. Additionally, using machines reduces the physical strain on workers, allowing them to focus on other aspects of production. The meticulous preparation of pounding the meat not only enhances its texture, but also ensures that each schnitzel will be tender and juicy, providing a delightful eating experience. This step, though seemingly straightforward, is foundational to the quality of the final product. Without proper tenderizing, the meat would not achieve the delicate balance of tenderness and crispiness that is essential for a perfect schnitzel. In summary, pounding the meat to perfection is a critical step in the schnitzel production process, ensuring consistency, tenderness, and an exceptional final product that delights consumers with every bite. After the meat is perfectly pounded, it's time for breading, a crucial step that involves a meticulous three-step process. A light dusting of flour, a dip in beaten eggs, and a final coating of breadcrumbs. Each layer plays a vital role in creating the perfect schnitzel. The flour helps the egg adhere to the meat, the egg provides a sticky surface for the breadcrumbs, and the breadcrumbs form the schnitzel's signature crispy, golden exterior. In large factory settings, this process is often automated using breading machines that ensure an even and consistent coating on every piece of meat. These machines are precisely calibrated to apply the right amount of each layer, maintaining high standards of uniformity and quality. The choice of breadcrumbs can vary depending on the desired texture of the final product. Some producers opt for finely ground breadcrumbs, which create a smooth and even coating, while others prefer coarser crumbs that add extra crunch to each bite. Despite the use of advanced machinery, the breading process still requires a high level of precision and care. An uneven coating can result in an unsatisfactory texture and appearance, potentially compromising the quality of the schnitzel. Therefore, quality control checks are essential to ensure each piece meets the required standards. Proper breading is crucial for achieving the perfect schnitzel. It not only enhances the visual appeal, but also contributes significantly to the overall eating experience, providing a delightful contrast between the crispy exterior and the tender, juicy meat inside. This stage, though seemingly straightforward, is foundational to creating schnitzels that are consistently delicious and satisfying, making each bite a true delight. With the breading complete, the schnitzel is ready for frying. This step is critical for achieving the perfect combination of a crispy exterior and a tender, juicy interior. The schnitzel is fried in hot oil, typically at a temperature between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a factory setting, large industrial fryers are used to cook multiple pieces simultaneously, ensuring efficiency and consistency. The schnitzel is cooked until it reaches a golden brown color, usually taking a few minutes on each side. Proper frying is essential. Too long in the oil can result in a dry, tough schnitzel, while too short a time can leave it undercooked. The goal is to achieve a perfect balance, with a crispy crust encasing a tender, flavorful center. After frying, the schnitzel needs to rest briefly to allow the oil to drain and the meat to settle. During this stage, each piece is inspected for quality. This involves checking the color, texture, and overall appearance, to ensure it meets the high standards expected of a premium schnitzel. Any pieces that do not meet these standards are set aside. Quality control is a critical component of the production process, as it ensures consistency and maintains the brand's reputation. Factory workers and automated systems work together to perform these inspections, using both visual checks and more sophisticated testing methods. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that only the best schnitzels make it to the packaging stage. Once the schnitzels pass quality control, they are ready for packaging. Proper packaging is vital for preserving the schnitzel's freshness and ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. The schnitzels are carefully portioned and placed in packaging that protects them from contamination and spoilage. Various packaging options are available, including vacuum-sealed packs and modified atmosphere packaging. Vacuum sealing removes air from the package, extending the shelf life and maintaining the schnitzel's freshness. Modified atmosphere packaging replaces the air with a mix of gases that slow down the spoilage process. Each package is labeled with important information, such as the product name, weight, expiration date, and nutritional facts. Proper labeling is essential for ensuring traceability and providing consumers with the information they need. The packaging process is automated to ensure consistency and efficiency. Every package is inspected to make sure it is sealed correctly and free from defects. Proper packaging not only preserves the quality of the schnitzel, but also enhances its appeal to consumers. This final step ensures that the schnitzel reaches store shelves in perfect condition, ready for purchase. So, there you have it. A fascinating journey from select cuts of meat to the perfectly fried schnitzel we all love. This process artfully combines age-old traditions with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting how-it's-made stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.